Okay, hey everyone. So I've created this ChatGPT mega prompt, and it helps with creating Etsy listings and Etsy research. Okay, so I'm using it. I've just created this product on Canva, Instagram 30 days of content. So this has got 30 days worth of post content guidance for Instagram, right? And I've come over to ChatGPT and I've run my prompt. So it says, okay, I'm ready to start the task. It asks, what is the product? And I say 30 days of content for Instagram. And so this is its response. So what I've got it to do is to tell me similar products. So I get a bit of an idea of what's out there. Long tail keywords. Etsy product listing title. So I've actually asked it to render a title length, but to maximize to at least be 120 characters. So it had another go at it. So it came up with that, and then it tried again. So it came up with this. So it's not too bad. 30-day Instagram content planner. Okay, so it's had a few attempts. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. So it comes up with the title for the Etsy listing. Next, it will research Etsy's top selling products, and it will go out. Actually, this one is hypothetical. You can actually tell it to do it for real though on ChatGPT 4. And then it provides links to similar products. So it's just interesting to see, what else is out there similar. So after it's done that research, continue. So it'll search for the planner, Instagram 30-day planner, just to see what else is out there. Then it also, I've got it to add PLR to the URL. So to tell you if there's any PLR products out there. So it's good if you're just actually creating a product. It can show you PLR that already exists, so you can potentially buy it. And star seller products, Instagram 30-day planner, star seller. So I've got it to pass through that in the link. After that, it will write my description for me. So that's pretty good. Keyworded. So I think that looks all right. And then if I'm happy with that, it'll write the tags using the 13 tags with 20 character limit. So there's some tags that it's suggested. That's it.